This is the thyroid gland, just inferior to the thyroid cartilage. This is the thymus. It's kind of embedded in the pericardium. Let's see if I can find, oh, that's lung, that's not it. But that's thymus, that tissue there. Can you tell that? Okay. And then deep to the stomach, there's your pancreas. That white, see it?
That's the shape of it.
Yep, that looks more like what we thought.
Yeah, there's the tail of it, so it looks like the one on the model or pictures. And then on the kidney, just on this superior medial side, that's the adrenal, that white right there. The testis, the epididymis, the vas deferens, here. And in the middle, there's the penis, and we didn't actually get the seminal glands exposed very well, but there's one here. I don't know if you can see, it's a little cluster there. There's one on both sides, and that's it. So we don't have a female. You can see the outline of it. You see what I'm talking about? Okay.